the USSR broke up in 10 different countries. Czechoslovakia, whatever, couple other countries. All of them, the USSR dismantled and 10 countries formed.
Yeah.
Putin want back in place, want back everything to be the USSR because Zelensky in particular want to join
NATO.
NATO.
Let's use NATO.
You know, NATO. NATO they want
right.
to join.
Yeah.
And when they broke up the USSR, them said NATO not to come beyond X point, Poland. And
Zelensky.
Czechoslovakia want to join NATO. And Putin said no, he don't want them, no want NATO so close. And that's how the war started.
No, that's not how me get it. Them have one aisle down
yes, dear.
whichever part.
Every part have something.
Yes.
And the Black Sea, one next country have it, we control USSR Navy. When USSR was everybody. At the country they control the Black Sea.
Yeah, but
And
what
a
caused the
problem.
war the other days with Zelensky and Russia is because Zelensky, whatever his name, want me, let's use St. Thomas again. I will continue to use St. Thomas. Let's use St. Thomas, Andrew Holness and whatever, build up Jamaica. And Jamaica.
Russia and USSR was the entire place.
Yes.
And they split up and now them want back.
Yes,
But you can't get back
because let's say the landmine where they are St. Thomas, how much truckloads of it come out, and Zelensky want to take it for himself and fence it off and say no, we are no longer Jamaican, we are gonna name this place St. Thomas, and St. Thomas is no longer a part of Jamaica. And that is why the war is there. Uno thinks that Zelensky is an angel, but he's not. He's a troublemaker.
Did they dance with the pan?
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Him is a little troublemaker. Because him want it for himself, and they are saying that no, let it be one Jamaica. And him say, no, me not share it. And that's why the war are gone. No? As I stay. You're done with it if you're nothing to say. Your point.
It's a why you want to happen? Fizzle legs and Putin?
No. But we are talking about it over and over. Why is this war going on there? Want back Jamaica, yeah.
No,
and you want back Jamaica, exactly. Because whoever they are St. Thomas don't want to share the spoil. And it's the entire Jamaican people, taxpayers' money, build up St. Thomas. So because St. Thomas get rich now and have the landmine down there, the sand or mall truck, you want to take it to yourself now, but no, a Jamaica build it up. I saw the war start. And him is a little troublemaker, so him run and left run go to Trump. He left. What, Chris? What your problem? He run go to Trump because him a look people and him say, yeah, then that's why Trump run him out of the White House. And you just said this is something. He left and run down America because he want to use Trump as a scapegoat on him side, and he run go to everybody, whichever part him run go to everybody, wherever, in order to get support for buy a missile. And people start finding out little by little, say I'm a troublemaker. But you're not ready for this conversation yet.